In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix can't message on Marketplace on Facebook Marketplace. If you're trying to contact a seller and the message option isn't working, don't worry. This problem can happen for a few different reasons, and in most cases, it's something you can troubleshoot in just a few minutes. Start by opening Facebook, either in the app or in your web browser, and go to Marketplace. Then find the listing you've been trying to contact the seller about. Open that product listing and take a close look at it. If the item has already been sold, removed, or is no longer available, that can prevent messaging from working properly. So it's always a good idea to confirm the listing is still active before trying anything else. Next, refresh Facebook. If you're using the app, close it completely, then reopen it and tap the message button again. A simple restart like this can fix temporary glitches that stop certain features from loading correctly. After that, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. If the app is struggling to connect, Marketplace messaging may fail or not respond at all. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. You should also make sure the Facebook app is up to date. Open your device's app store, search for Facebook, and install any available update. Updates often include bug fixes, and an outdated version of the app can sometimes cause messaging issues. If you're on Android, you can also clear the Facebook cache by going to Settings, then Apps, then Facebook, then Storage, and tapping Clear Cache. After that, reopen Facebook and test Marketplace again. If you're using an iPhone and don't see a cache clearing option, reinstalling the app is the usual alternative. Another useful test is to try Facebook in a browser instead of the app. Open Facebook in Chrome, Safari, or another browser, sign in, go to Marketplace, and try messaging the seller from there. If it works in the browser, the issue may be with the app rather than your account. You should also open Messenger and check whether you can send messages normally there. If Messenger itself isn't working, then the Marketplace issue may be connected to your account's messaging access. Next, check your account status section on Facebook. Look for any restrictions related to Marketplace, messaging, or account activity. If Facebook has limited your access, follow the on-screen review or appeal instructions. It's also smart to test another Marketplace listing. Try contacting a different seller. If that works, the problem may only be with the original listing or seller. If none of these fixes solve the issue, go to the menu, then Help and Support, then Report a problem. Let Facebook know that you can't message Marketplace sellers and include a screenshot of the error if possible. And that's how to fix the can't message on Marketplace problem on Facebook Marketplace.